Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 11th November current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, System of Air Quality and Weather Forecasting and Research, that is SAFAR suffer. We know that the air quality in Delhi continues to remain in severe category. Why? Because due to air pollution. The System of Air Quality and Weather Forecasting and Research has advised people to avoid all physical activity outdoors. To avoid all physical activity outdoors. Why? Because the air quality in Delhi remains in severe category. Here, what is the uses or what is the objective of this suffer? That is to provide real-time air quality index on 24/7 basis with color coding along with 72-hour advanced weather forecast. That means 3 days before 72-hour advanced weather forecast and real-time air quality index of this 24/7 basis with color coding. Here, to issue health advisory to prepare citizens well in advance, that is System of Air Quality and Weather Forecasting and Research, that is SAFAR suffer. Next one, special window for borrowing. We know that 2017 GST started up to 2022. That means after 2017 5 years there is a compensation for states, but due to COVID-19, that central government is unable to pay this compensation to states, but some states are affected with this COVID-19 very severely. That's why they want they are not getting this compensation, but they want more money apart from this one. That's why these states, the first state opted this special window for borrowing, that is Puducherry. After Congress ruled Rajasthan last week became the latest opposition ruled state to opt for special borrowing window for meeting its compensation shortfall under the Goods and Services Tax, that is GST. Here, how it is going on, this special window for borrowing, that is under the special window, the center has already borrowed 12,000 crore in 2 equal installments and passed it on to the 21 states and 3 union territories on October 23rd and November 2nd. That means center has already borrowed 12,000 crore in these 2 installments and it passed to the 21 states. Now it is about special window for borrowing. Next one, peace deal between Armenia and Azerbaijan. Here Russia has mediated a new peace deal between these two countries, that is Armenia and Azerbaijan, that have been in a military conflict for over 6 weeks over the disputed region of Nagorno and Karabakh in the South Caucasus. Here, right side I have given a picture regarding this Nagorno and Karabakh region. You can see that. Then you can understand where exactly this disputed area is there. As per the new peace deal, both sides will now maintain positions in the areas that they currently hold, which will mean a significant gain for Azerbaijan as it has reclaimed right side Azerbaijan, left side Armenia is there. In between that there is a highlighted area, that is Nagorno-Karabakh region. Now as per this deal, significant gain for Azerbaijan as it has reclaimed over 15 to 20% of its lost territory during the recent conflict between Armenia and Azerbaijan. Russia did a good job in this situation. Next one, Hunar Hath. Here, Minority Affairs Minister will inaugurate the Hunar Hath at Delhi Hath at Pitampura. Here, if you see the theme of this Hunar Hath is Vocal for Local, where indigenous exquisite products made from mati, that is clay, metal and machia, wooden and jute products will be the major attracts in this mega mission craft cuisine and culture, that is Hunar Hath. In the part of previous paper analysis, I have taken UPSC Prelims 2020. We will discuss the 11th question with reference to the cultural history of India. Which of the following is the correct description of term paramitas? Here options are: the earliest Dharmastra text written in Sutra style, philosophical schools that did not accept the authority of Vedas, perfections whose attainment led to the Bodhisattva path, powerful merchant guides of early medieval South India. That is the right option is C. That is, it is paramitas is related to perfections whose attainment led to the Bodhisattva path. With this, we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.